Hi, today let us take a look at macros in Chatwoot. A macro is a reusable workflow that turns repeated support steps into one click. We can build one from the settings area by adding each action in order. This macro stays public, so the whole team can reuse the same workflow. A private macro is better for a personal workflow that should not be shared with the team. Here, the macro adds the right labels, assigns the conversation, sends a customer reply, and leaves a private note for the team. From the conversation sidebar, we can open the macros panel and preview exactly what will happen before running it. Once the macro runs, Chatwoot applies the labels, assigns the owner, sends the reply, and adds the private note in one pass. That keeps urgent conversations consistent without making agents repeat the same clicks. That is macros in Chatwoot. Reusable workflows for the moments your team handles again and again.